Hello everyone. In this video of today, we are going to understand the classification of the unemployment, which means the various types of unemployment. Well, you can see in this table, the two types of unemployment which exist in India is rural unemployment and urban unemployment, in which the rural unemployment is categorized into two, that is disguised and seasonal, while urban unemployment is further again classified into two, that is industrial and educated unemployment. Let's try to have a brief description of the various types of unemployment which prevails in the rural and urban areas, in which we will first understand the rural unemployment. Well, the first category in rural employment is disguised unemployment. I'm sure all of you are aware of what is this term. This is a situation which occurs when numbers of workers who are engaged in a job is more than what is actually required, and when the excess is removed from that job, there is no change in the total production. Let's try to understand this definition with an example. If suppose only two people are required to cultivate a farm, but five people are working, which means that there is an excess of three people who are working in this farming, then these three people are called to be disguisedly unemployed. These types of unemployment is generally seen in family business and in our agriculture work, because in family system or in agriculture work, no matter what, the actual number will always be more than the number which is required. The second type of unemployment that we can see in this rural unemployment is seasonal unemployment, whose primarily example is agriculture, because we all know that agriculture is a seasonal occupation. So this type of unemployment means people are engaged in work for a certain time of the year, and for some other time of the year they are out of job, that is, they have no work to do. Now we know that those farmers who generally grow one crop in a year, they somewhere work for 6 months, and in the another 6 months they do not have any work to do, and these 6 months when they don't work, that is called seasonal unemployment. Now let's try to understand the types of types of urban unemployment which is prevailing in our country, and the two types of urban unemployment are industrial and educated unemployment. As far as educated unemployment is concerned, it is a type of unemployment which is present in the people who are educated. It means people have got education, but they have no work to do. They remain unemployed. There are many universities, schools, colleges in our school, because of which the number of people who are getting education have increased. Now, the number of people who get education has increased, but the number of people who get jobs out of this education has not increased. That is where it has led to many people being educated but being unemployed. Also, educated people are unemployed more in rural areas compared to urban areas, because because the people who are educated in urban areas generally do not want to work for a lower salary job, while an educated person in a village or a rural area will work in a lower salary job. In the urban areas, the educated people look for the quality of jobs, and that is why many times they remain unemployed. In industrial unemployment, it refers to those illiterate people, those who want to work in industries but have no work. The illiterate people who want to work in industries but have no work are an example of industrial unemployment. And the two reasons why industrial unemployment prefers is because the first reason being that population is increasing with a high pace, compared to which the supply of employment cannot be given, because of which the people remain unemployed. And secondly, when from rural areas people migrate to urban areas for searching of jobs, particularly in industries, and since the industries have not grown much, so all the people who have shifted do not get job. So those people who don't get job remain industrially unemployed. Apart from this, there are some types of common unemployment which are existing in both the areas, that is the rural and the urban areas, in which the few types of unemployment which are common in both the areas are, number one is structural unemployment. Well, this is a type of unemployment which comes because of change in technology. Now in any organization, when technology comes in, then the number of people who are needed for the jobs are reduced. So these people who lose jobs because of coming of technology are called structurally unemployed. Second is under unemployment. Under unemployment is a situation where people do not get work for a full-time job. That is, he remains unemployed for some hours every day. Somebody who is working part-time every day is called underemployed. Well, please understand, the ideal working hours for any person is around 8 hours. Somebody who is working part-time, say let's suppose for 4 hours, then he is called for a situation of underemployed, in which underemployment is of two kinds. One is visibly underemployed and invisible underemployed. Visible underemployed is just what we discussed about, that people when they work lesser than the standard working hours for a day is called visible underemployed, while invisible underemployed is those educated people whose income is not proportionate to their ability. Let's suppose there is a person who is an MBA. But he is working as a peon in a school. So he is qualified, he is an MBA, but his working is only as a peon, where the salary would be less compared to the education that he has got. This is called a situation of invisible underemployment. Third one is a frictional unemployment, the meaning of which is when people became unemployed because of changing of jobs for one job to another, and they remain unemployed for a certain while. That is called frictional unemployment. Like, let's suppose you are working in a company and 20 October is the last working day, and the next joining day for you in your next company is 1st of November. So you left the first company on 20th of October, and the next company you are going to join is on 1st of November. So these 11 days where you are not a worker for either company X or company Y, that time the situation of unemployment is called as frictional unemployment. And the last unemployment which prevails in both the places, that is urban and rural areas, is cyclical unemployment. The unemployment which occurs because of recession or depression in the economy is called cyclical unemployment. Like, let's suppose for example, this corona period which is happening, many people have lost their jobs because of the closing of industries or markets going down, everything. So when people lose jobs because of certain fluctuations in the economy, like recession or depression, that is called cyclical unemployment. So the four major types of unemployment which prevails in both the type in rural and urban areas is: 1. Underemployment, 1. Frictional unemployment, 1. Cyclical unemployment, and the last structural unemployment. I hope with this video you understand the various types of unemployment, that is rural and urban employment, and their further categories. Thank you everyone.